What is actually popping, YouTube? How you been? How you doing? And how your freaking day been? Because you know I want to know. So today I'm going to be coloring my hair Mahogany Red. Mahogany Red. We're going to be using Kiss Colors. Yeah. I got a haircut today. And yeah. So first, we're gonna strip the little bit of color that's still in my hair out. Wow, where did I put? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna just use this. I just got this at a beauty supply. I don't know, but it's L'Oreal Technique color remover. Right though. So I got lazy, so I'm gonna use a seam ripper that I found in my room to cut it. Powdery. So the packet says that I use 1 pack of this plus 2.5 low ounces of 20 volume developer. Let's be nice. Yes. And I'm using one by Clairol because it's $3. They are going up on the price. Yo, I swear the last time I bought this, let me see if I can find that bottle. Oh, maybe I just lied to y'all. Oh, well, I could have sworn that the last time I bought it was $2.99, but whatever, I guess. But yeah, so let me set that there. And I'm gonna go ahead. So this thing, it has, I'm not about to measure out 2.5 ounces. I'm sorry, I'm just not. I'm not gonna do it. So instead, what I'm gonna do is, in this little bowl, it has little hatch marks for milliliters. So what I did was I looked up milliliters to ounces, and apparently 2.5 ounces is 73 point something milliliters. So we're just gonna eyeball it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. That is about 2.5 ounces. It goes up to like here. So now we're gonna just pour this whole packet of color remover. Gosh, should have warning guys. Safety first. Let's put on some gloves. I don't know where my color application brush is. Looked everywhere, can't find it. So I'm gonna be using a comb, my hands, and this old raggedy brush I really don't care about. So I'm just gonna mix it together with the comb. I'm gonna take a video on my phone of how it looks. Now we're gonna just go ahead and put that on our heads. So I'm just scooping in my hand because I am a hood rat, and placing it on top of my head. Put it in the direction that your waves, you know, wave. So like at the top of my head, of course, my waves go forward. So I go forward, do not go backwards. That is going to mess your waves up. We don't want that. Not really sure what happened here. I think it's because this is for permanent color, so it just started to strip my natural hair color rather than the semi-permanent hair color, I guess. So my hair is kind of red, orange copper-ish. And they're still green, so I look like Christmas. Let's just get into that. Can y'all see, you know, that? Yeah, Christmas. So that's fun. Yeah, pretty soon, because I think it's been in for about 20 minutes. I am going to get in the shower, take a shower, and rinse this out. And we will see where we're at then. All right, so this is the color of my hair. Yeah. So now what we have to do is, well, what I have to do is finesse, as I do all the time. Okay, so safety first, get your gloves. Well, BW2 powder. This is not usually what I use, but using this BW2 powder. And a 30 volume developer this time by Clairol. And I'm gonna do, ooh, 1 scoop because I am bald. 1 scoop-ish. Oh my gosh. There's like an eyelash in my eye. Okay. And pour, I just kind of eyeball it. I really can't even tell you what I do. I eyeball it, to be completely honest. But just so that it's runny, but not as runny as like that other thing was, because that's not what we want. Well, it's gonna be quite difficult. This is how it looks. We don't want to. That's how it looks. It's, you know, runny. I don't know. We're gonna skip it with our hands because I can't find my stupid brush. Skip it with our hands and slap it on our head. You know, hope for the best. All right, so a lot has happened. Wow. But anyways, we finessed a little bit. And here's how the hair is looking now. Yeah, so that's how we're looking. Much better than before. I bleached it twice and got in the shower, you know, rinsed it, and then I washed it out with some toning shampoo, Shimmering Lights right here. Ooh, my camera wants to die. Shimmering Light shampoo, and then put this conditioner in it. And I also used some neutralizing shampoo. This is the conditioner and shampoo brand that I use for everything whenever I have my hair colored. So I'm just gonna take my Kiss Tintation in Mahogany Red and gonna put that in the bowl and slap it on my scalp. And I'll insert pictures because I think that my camera is gonna die. But in terms of how I put it on, just slap it on there and go in the direction of your waves, sis. Yeah. And I'll make sure I come back and show y'all the finished look. Now y'all, I might have just done this some. But we gon' see once I rinse this out. We gon' see for real. But I might have just done this some. Right now it looks like I got a helmet on. But that's okay, because we gonna fix it, because we gonna rinse it out. And I might have red all over my face, but that's okay, because it'll go away. So I'm gonna go rinse this out real quick, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all the finished result. You guys, I'm a redhead now, looking like a candy apple. Yeah, yeah, a candy apple. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, but yeah, this is the finished look. This is how we are now rocking. Probably about the next month. I'm pretty sure it's gonna like fade out into like a pinkish color, which I'm totally fine with. I'm kind of looking forward to it. So let me know what you guys think of the new color in the comment section below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.